Ready?
We're just going to, okay, so we're going to kill every monster with a grappler and a baseball bat.
This is
So,
part 2 of
yeah, it's
killing
part
every
2.
monster
It's
with
part 2.
Nazo. And we also got another guy. This is
Dip.
DB.
Dip.
This is
Okay, so let's go to it.
This is Bevan's.
I just ended the call.
Come on, come on,
So,
come on, come on.
what do you got? Wait. First, I need to get my gear. Nazo, hold on. I need to get my backup gear. In case you need help.
Or if I die.
Okay, so where are we going to go today?
Yo, Kai, can you buy me?
Mines, mines,
Can you buy me a
mines.
baseball bat?
Mines, I mean.
Mines.
We're going to mines
Right.
today. Yeah, we're going to
Right,
mines.
mines, right?
Yeah,
Sounds good.
so let's go to mines.
I'm the
Kai, can you
camera
buy
guy.
me a baseball bat? I don't have a baseball bat.
Go get him a baseball bat.
Wait, I'll give
Go
you
get
a
him
baseball.
baseball bat.
I'm gonna give him a baseball bat. I'm giving him a baseball bat.
Wait, look.
There's a baseball
I
bat.
believe that.
There's a baseball bat.
Let's go. Let's go.
You lead the way, Nazo.
Okay.
Because I am just the camera guy.
No.
Somebody bring a glow stick.
I got one.
Oh,
I got one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Come on, Nazo.
We're going to go kill Spider, right?
Yeah. Spider, Mimic.
Are we?
Armstrong, probably.
there's
Glow stick
yeah,
man.
there's.
Angler, maybe?
Oh, I found mimic. Mimic. Found mimic. Oh, that's gonna be the first monster. Oh, and spider.
Oh, this is brilliant. You want me to... Nazo, come kill him!
Oh yeah.
Exclusive interview!
He's not dying.
Oh! He's... Nazo!
Come on. Ow, he just hit.
Oh my god! Oh no, I didn't bring extra ammo! Nazo!
We killed him.
I need to go get extra ammo!
Where's Spider at? Oh God.
Behind you.
Killed him.
Nazo, I'm gonna go get a bag with the ammo real quick.
Okay.
Yeah. You guys hold still. I need to go get a bag with ammo. Nazo?
Yeah.
You're supposed to be an app. Oh, okay. Why can I still hear you? Alright, how I just did. Oh, by the way, I am doing this for your guys's, for content. And this is all Nazo's idea, not mine, so thank him for this video. Hi, let's go back. Nazo, where are you?
We're in the mine.
Got it.
We just killed the mimic. We just killed the mimic. We're right
He
here.
dropped that.
Come here. We're right here.
No,
Okay, and then now we are.
Dude, this is
Yeah.
great. Ah, he's coming. Run.
Dead end, guys.
Great.
What if there's another mimic?
Oh, he killed the mimic. Spider!
Sorry, Nazo.
Go, go, go,
He's
go,
coming for me.
go, 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 go. Come on, follow
Oh
me.
my God.
Follow me.
Hold on. Dude, he's tracking my scent.
What?
I'm stuck.
He's tracking my scent.
Let's go,
Guys,
let's go.
down here.
What's down here anyway? What is down here?
Could I get some more ammo? Real quick. Can I
Armstrong?
get some ammo real quick, guys?
It's red spider. Red spider.
Guys, hold
Red
on.
spider.
I need to get some ammo.
Where's Red Spider?
I just heard him. He's in there.
What? Let's do this, Nazo. Why is there lava?
Lava pit.
Oh, Nazo, we found it!
We're at the planetarium.
Ah, Nazo! The planetarium!
Yeah, we have found the planetarium. We have found the planetarium.
Spider.
We are at the planetarium. There's not really
Right,
any.
so, was that like a different kind of spider?
Yeah, it was a red spider.
You wanna count it?
Yeah, because it's. I own footballs.
Go launch here!
Who is that? Is that Mimic?
Research point.
Whoa,
Is that Mimic?
Planetarium?
Yeah, let's go to planetarium, guys.
Like, perfect.
Ow!
Ow!
You don't get hurt, do you? I don't get. Ow! Noah!
Dad!
I didn't mean to.
Not.
You really.
Could I have a baseball bat?
How do we get out
So I
by
can mine?
not turning small?
Could I have a baseball bat so I can mine?
Do that.
This is how we're gonna get back home. Keep in mind.
Yeah. Hold on, listen to this.
Hold on, I need to get
Guys, after this, we're going to office.
Nazo, we
follow
still need to kill a few more.
After the mines.
Nazo, we still. Could we do that in like the next? Where's the camera? How could I forget? Oh, there it is.
Bro, that's your research
Hey
points.
guys. Okay, now we're.
I got 2 research points. Let's go.
Now guys, you wanna go
I think
to
you dropped your bat.
Anglerfish?
I think you dropped your bat.
I dropped. Wait, no, guys, I dropped my baseball bat.
Yeah, guys, you coming? Because I'm not waiting all day.
Oh my
Oh, that scared me so bad. Dude, that scared
What?
me.
How
The
is it?
thingy falling. The ridge. always
Actually,
gets
if
me.
I want to turn.
It always gets me. So Nazo, now where do you want to go?
It makes me move. I'm not lying.
What?
Actually, yes, it does.
Oh, where do you want to go,
Yesterday.
Nazo?
But now we're gonna go on the show.
Wait, Nazo.
So annoying.
Nazo, what? I heard a spider, Nazo.
I hear spider.
Yeah, you're not the only one. Get the high ground! Go, Nazo.
Spider! It's
Where?
normal. It's behind you.
Ow!
Sorry.
Dude, really? Hey, Nazo, you want to go home?
Yeah, wait.
Alright, well, I'm going to try and find a bunker. Not this way. It's a dead end. This way's a dead end. Oh my gosh, it's ugly looking spider.
Look how ugly.
Nazo.
We are
Not ugly. There's an ugly looking spider.
It's climbing walls. Oh,
Die!
he's invincible. He was. Oh, wait.
That thing is invincible.
I'm here.
Except for grapplers.
Which monster are we
They're
at?
invincible.
Which monster are we at?
Hello.
Guys.
Red, there's a red dead body. Red dead.
It's only
Red
here.
Dead Redemption.
Guys, follow me.
Can you hear me?
Go, where'd you go? Hey, so you want to go to Neil Armstrong?
Oh, yeah.
Neil Armstrong cave?
Yeah. But we're still
It might
gonna
be an
move.
anglerfish, though. Might be anglerfish, though. There's a chance. Don't forget.
Okay, guys. Come on, we're going to Armstrong Cave.
Where is Armstrong Cave?
Let me show you. It's in the middle.
We need to go to where all those caves are. Where'd he go? Dude, where did you go? You found it? Sweet. Where'd he go? Nazo. I feel like he's under us now.
Kai, where did you go?
Oh yeah, he's under us. Red spider! There is an ugly red spider! Ow! What? Dude, that hurted.
What's up, Kai?
Dude, that hurted.
Guys,
Kai.
Hey guys,
actually,
there's a red spider.
guys,
There's a red spider in there, guys. Just so you guys know, there's a red spider. Where are you guys? Come on, you Armstrong.
who's in? There's another one.
Yo, Kai.
Another.
Yo, Nazo. Oh my grappler.
What?
Hey, Nazo. I think
Oh,
I
God.
just lost
The red
my
ones.
grappler.
Guys,
Dude, I think I lost my grappler. Oh, never mind. Found it.
I'm really needing
What
research
monster is
points.
down here?
Nazo, you want to go home to planetarium,
No, we already went.
please?
I want some.
Could we
I
go
barely
home?
got any.
Yeah, let's go home, guys.
Yeah, because we already
some
killed
more
like
research
most of the
points.
monsters here.
We killed. Oh wait, I found a teleporter.
What? Where?
I found a box teleporter. Guys, follow me. It's a
Where?
box teleporter.
Are you
down
sure
here.
Are you sure there's no like anglers?
Yes. Guys.
All right,
Right,
break
no,
it.
Noah.
Please send me.
Okay,
Right,
guys.
sweet.
Where are we going now?
Down here.
Now we are.
You're
Now.
so
Who
mean.
the heck
I'm
are
gonna
you?
crash out right now.
Who wants to win
Who
the
are
rare
you?
stuff?
Who wants to win rare stuff?
Who
Who
are
wants to
you?
win rare? Who wants to win rare stuff?
Who
How do you have that?
Y'all
Can I have that?
Please.
No, we're not. We're killing every monster.
Wait, can I have that?
Guys, y'all are gonna fight. We're making a video killing every monster.
Nazo,
No, snail.
Nazo, join me.
Do y'all want to win rare stuff?
That's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay. Hey guys. Nazo is back.
We have to join a different code because these people are joining our code.
Yeah. So,
Guys,
we're gonna
we
show
need
you
a-
something for only
we
the
need-
people who stay
guys,
till the end.
we
How to
need-
get grapplers without you owning them, but it does cost like 2,000. So, you're gonna escape. Most of you probably know this, but when you escape, you spawn here. Then, it's at the end of the parkour. And you find this. Nazo, you coming? Nazo, come to where you buy the grapplers. Nazo, come where you buy the grapplers.
What are you talking about?
The end of the parkour. Well, that's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one. Bye. Don't go to sewers.